Clickbank affiliate marketing for beginners. Your avatar is important. 101. Okay, so hi, my name is Bill, and what I want to do is talk to you about what I'm seeing are about one of the most important things. Let me be upfront, frank, honest, all those things with you. I took a training class about marketing, and the first thing, and I paid money for this, right? Four figures. The first thing that was covered was this. Who are you talking to? Who's your avatar? Who are you talking to? And this is what I noticed. I was on Facebook doing some intelligence work. Okay. Number one, you need a system because if you can put people into your system, then your system is supposed to be doing the selling for you. So you want to put together a system. We can talk about that later. But right now, what we want to talk about is who are you talking to? Who is your avatar? Now, in some of these groups, allow me to paint this picture for you. You go to Clickbank, let's take a look at Clickbank, and you sign up for a affiliate link. And as you can see, this is saying that Clickbank has paid over $4.2 billion. So yeah, people are making money. Clickbank has been in business for over 20 years. So if they've been in business for over 20 years, yes, people are making money. But here's the deal. If you don't know what you're doing, it ain't going to work. You have to put together a system and you need to know who you're talking to. Let me explain what I mean by that deeper. Let's pretend that you have a product and let's pretend your product is in the weight loss. I always use that keto, right? So let's just go to that particular site and let's put in keto. I'm probably going to, we go to health and fitness, and then we're going to go to diet. And then we're going to stop at my favorite, which is keto. I'm going to take a look at the website. I'm going to turn this off. So we're here at keto, and you want to be a affiliate and actually push this product. We're not looking at the gravity. We're not looking at the popularity. We're not looking at the average per sale. We're not looking at any of those things. We're just talking about the very basics. You got your link. Now what? Let me show you what most people are doing. What most people are doing is that they're going to Facebook. So let's talk about what people do. Number one, you go to Clickbank, you find a product, you want to sell the product, you get an affiliate link, and then you go to Facebook because you heard all this stuff about Facebook. There are a billion, or I don't know what the numbers are, but there are a lot of people on Facebook. So you go to Facebook, you join a group. In this particular group, there are 30,800 people in this group plus. Now I want you to imagine this. 90% of these individuals are selling. They're asking questions. Who can help me create my ClickBank account? I don't know about you, but that just sounds plain stupid or fraud. But they're asking questions, and then the individuals are posting links. The individuals are selling stuff. So this is their strategy. Their strategy is go to a group, ask a question, try to get as many people as possible to actually post, and then you send your link to them. What type of sense is that? I mean, think about it. You're selling, the other person looking to sell. So, what are they missing out on here? What are they forgetting about here? What's going on here? They're forgetting about their avatar. And the avatar is the person to whom you are directing your link to. Now, there's no such thing as one product fits all. So who are you selling to? And what circumstances are you giving this person or sending this link to this group of people? Are you selling to people, let's say 20, 25, 30, male, female? Are you selling to people 45 to 50 or 60, male or female? I will not have the same needs as a 20-year-old, and they won't have the same needs as I, or maybe a 30-year-old or a 40-year-old, maybe some 50 years old. So we go online looking to solve a problem. When we join a group, we're looking to be with like-minded people. The only thing like-minded people about this particular situation is that they're all selling a product. And half of these products may not be Clickbank related, but they're all sellers. That I can promise you. So, what's the first thing you want to do? The first thing you want to do is after you pick out your product, you want to define who you want to talk to. Who do you want to talk to? Pick out their age group. Pick out their status. Are they married, single, kids? Who are you talking to? Pick out, are they professionals? Are they college students? Hopefully not high school students because they don't have credit cards. Who are you talking to? When you pick out who you're talking to, everything will start to fall in order. And what you would do is that you would make landing pages tailored to that person, tailored to their needs, tailored to their wants, tailored to their desires. But you got to know who you're talking to. Go online after you have an idea of who you're talking to. Put that person, put things about that person in the description in Google, and get a picture of that person. And then when you're going online, because I'm marketing, I'm making videos, right? I want to make a lot of videos, and I'm going to make videos on a certain topic, Clickbank, and this is going to help me rank. That's all part of a strategy. You need to have a strategy. If you're just posting videos, or if you're just posting links, and you're posting links everywhere, but you're throwing shit on the wall hoping that something sticks. And your ideal is that if you throw enough on the wall, then something's going to stick. That ain't marketing. That ain't marketing. Build funnels and drive people through your funnels. If you do not know what a funnel is, then that means that you got to educate yourself. Oh, by the way, when you figure out who your avatar is, listen, you have to put up valuable content, whether it's videos, whether you're writing articles, whether you're doing blogs, you got to put up valuable content. Telling someone that they can make $1 million. I had a person shoot me a message telling me that I can make $4,000 a day doing crypto or something. And I thought, $4,000? That's $28,000 a year because 4 times 7 is 28. That's $1.2 million a year. $1.2 million a year. What that person is going off of is greed, stupidity. I think the numbers were 96 or 97% of people that start off with Clickbank fail. And it's not that Clickbank is not working, it's that they're not taking time out to actually learn their trade. You want to learn how to market. So that means that you want to invest time in learning yourself. And if you're not willing to invest in yourself, maybe you don't deserve the success in which you're shooting for. And if you're on those news groups, be careful. I'm just going to say, take time out and figure out who you're selling to. That's your avatar. That's what they mean by avatar. Think about their age. Think about their status. Think about what they like. Do they like sports? Do they like, whatever? Think about that. Because if you start thinking like that, you can go on Facebook and find people like in those groups. And now you're marketing from a different point of view. All you have to do is just think about your avatar, think about who they are, think about where they hang out, think about what they do, and think about what they desire. And then make a squeeze page or a funnel to get them into your web. And then just let your system sort them out. Let your system do the selling. So that's enough for now. Thank you for listening to me. Hope you learned something. I hope I shared something with you that was of value. And if you did find any value in what I said, then please like my video and subscribe to my page. And if you really want to go on this journey with me, then also click on the bell in the top right hand corner to be notified of other videos coming out. The next video to which I put out, I'm going to put out something about building that funnel. Yeah, I think that'd be advisable about building the funnel. All right. So thank you very much and peace.